Hello students, now we are going to perform an activity of osmosis. So for doing this activity of osmosis, we need some of the materials such as one raw potato, here potato, two petri dishes, these are the petri dishes, yes. To cut the potato we need a sharp knife and sugar solution we have to prepare. Here we have taken the sugar, we have to prepare a saturated solution of sugar and a dropper and pins or toothpicks you can use. Here this is the water. So firstly what we need to do is, first we have to peel the potato and cut it into a cube shaped size. So we'll cut it and see. So here you can see we have cut the potato into a cube shaped form. Now place it in the petri dish. In the cube shaped potato, make a halo like this to add the sugar solution in it. And one more potato, cube shaped one, we'll place in the other petri dish. So firstly we'll perform an activity in the first petri dish. So as we have prepared the earlier sugar solution, saturated sugar solution, with the help of the dropper, we have to add the sugar solution into the cube shaped potato. Now we have to see that up till the solution where it has been added, we will pin it to check the level of the solution after the activity. Next we'll pour some distilled water in the petri dish so that the potato cube will not be submerged or float in the water. Now leave it for half an hour and see what happens. So this is the first petri dish. In the second petri dish we are going to add the distilled water in the cube of the potato and not completely but only to the half of the cube. Here also we'll make the note of the mark of the water. And in the petri dish we are going to put the sugar solution. So in the first petri dish, what we have taken? We have taken the sugar solution in the potato cube, and here in the second petri dish we have taken sugar solution in the petri dish. So what difference we are going to observe in these two petri dishes, we will see after half an hour. Okay children, wait till half an hour. Now students, we are going to observe what changes have been taken place in the potato cube after leaving it for half an hour. So here this is the first petri dish wherein we have taken the saturated sugar solution in the potato cube and water in the petri dish. So when you observe keenly, here the water level has been increased in it. Here when you observe here, the water level has been increased. That means the movement of water has been taken place from the petri dish into the potato cube. That means the movement of water from low solute, here there is the solute, here is only solvent, that is water. Here it is the solute is the sugar here. So in the sugar solution the solute is there. Here only water is the solvent. So the movement of water from low concentration of the solute to more solute concentration across a semi-permeable membrane. Here this potato, it acts as a membrane through which the water molecules enter from the petri dish into the potato cube. So this is nothing but it is called as osmosis. So in Greek, osmos means pushing. So here less concentrated solution to more concentrated solution has been taken place here. So this is in case of petri dish 1. Next we'll check it with the petri dish 2. So here we have taken the sugar solution in the petri dish and water in the potato cube. So check it, all the water has been drained out here. This is the solute present here. Here only solvent, that is water molecules from the potato cube, they has entered into the more concentrated. So from less concentrated to more concentrated, it has moved through the semi-permeable membrane. So here also same has taken place. So when you observe the potato, it has been shrinked up. Here due to the draining of the water molecules from the potato cube into the petri dish. Here when you observe, the water molecules from the petri dish has moved into the potato cube. Here it has expanded in its size. So in both the cases osmosis has taken place. So how can we define it? The movement of water from low concentration, low solute concentration to more solute concentration across a membrane is called as osmosis. Okay children, thank you for watching this activity and keep watching for more activity based videos. Thank you, and please do like, share and subscribe to Science Innovators. Thank you.